First of all, welcome to all of you to Dubai, and congratulations for making such a beautiful movie. And tell us something about your role again.
Abhishek will say.
पहले प्राचीन बोलेंगी, which she didn't speak in the last time.
Okay. I play Ajay's sister in the film. One of Abhishek's character teaches me dance, which is Kathak, and that's that. I don't think I can tell you any more than that about the film or the story. But yeah, the character is pretty young, vibrant. She's fun.
All right.
She's not a Bol Bachchan, sorry. So Abhishek can do this.
So who is the Bol Bachchan in the movie?
Yes.
So let's have it from you. What's Bol Bachchan
देखिए
all
बोल
about?
बच्चन एक ऐसे आदमी को बोला जाता है जो कुछ ज़्यादा फेंकता है, who lies a lot, and in this film my character out of circumstances keeps lying a lot, hence the title Bol Bachchan. So I would have to say my character, and AJ's character in the film is somebody who hates somebody who lies. So I'm the one who's almost a pathological liar, and he hates anybody who lies. So there's a huge conflict over there which manifests itself
What
in
makes you
comedy.
lie? What makes you lie?
Circumstances, yeah.
Right, okay. And you obviously played the sister's role. So tell us something about it.
I play Abhishek's younger sister in the film, and her name's Sanya
By the way,
Bachchan.
it's not been established yet in the script whether she's my younger sister or my elder sister. I just want to put that on record.
No.
She very conveniently goes around saying,
It's the eldest.
it is. Okay.
Yeah,
Because
we're both the
throughout
older
the
sisters.
promotional campaign, Asim was saying, I'm playing his younger sister. But I don't remember reading that in the script.
Yeah.
It's actually
Okay,
the sister.
fair enough. पहलवान को किसने नचाया?
रोहित ने डांस कोरियोग्राफर्स ने
मैंने नहीं नचाया, अभिषेक ने नचाया है एक्चुअली. ये अभिषेक का आइडिया था. इन्होंने टर्म्स रखा था कि मैं फिल्म तभी करूंगा जब अजय सर डांस करेंगे.
Okay.
देखिए अजय जो है वो एक ऐसे एक्टर है जिन्हें नाचना बहुत ही पसंद है, लेकिन वो कम नाचते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें लगता है कि क्यों मैं अपना टैलेंट इन लोगों पे वेस्ट करूं. जब ये मेरे सामने आए, उन्होंने कहा कि भैया मैं ये फिल्म प्रोड्यूस कर रहा हूँ, तुम्हें करना है, तो मेरे छोटे भाई हो. मैंने कहा ठीक है, मैं ये फिल्म आपके लिए कर लेता हूँ, मुझे कुछ सुनना वुनना कुछ है नहीं है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वो सब बाद में बना लेंगे. मेरी एक शर्त है, और वो शर्त ये है कि आपको इस फिल्म में गाना करना होगा और फुल ऑन नाचना होगा. If you love me as a younger brother, you'll do it for me. And I must say he's a great brother. He actually has done it, and he's done it so unabashedly and so wonderfully and pulled it off so brilliantly. I think it's his best song he's done in his entire career. I think it's brilliant. I really do. I'm not joking.
अजय जी, आप ये बताएं कि how did it as a producer and in every way, how was the movie? How did you feel for the movie?
Well, give me a look. कैसा काम किया है? She gave a look. बहुत अच्छा कर दिया.
How did I feel while making the film?
As you-
I was.
I mean, as a producer, as an actor, obviously you'll have a different take. But as a producer, what do you think?
As a producer, I was completely comfortable. I think everything was under control. He had everything under control. And as a producer now, when I see the film also, when the film is complete, it's turned out. I believe that it's turned out very well, and I'm not being biased about that. So there is this kind of excitement more than anxiety before the release, and I have this feeling that the film is going to do very well. How well we will be able to watch it, let's see.
Right. Lastly, we had Mr. Bachchan do the cameo role in the song Bol Bachchan. And how did you actually get him on board?
We drove him to the set. It was about a 40-minute drive from his house. So yeah, the way he commuted was
Who
by car.
convinced him to do it actually?
Oh, okay.
I think Abhishek. I told Abhishek I want Dad to do a song, and he was like, okay, come. And then he arranged a meeting, and he was very. I just remember you tried to bully me there. You giving me looks. आप बोलो अभी बोलो. बताओ क्या करना है. I just remember.
Okay, so that was the first time you actually directed.
Yeah.
So how did it feel? That's what I
It's
want to know.
great. I'm still in that awe that I directed Mr. Bachchan.
You know, I've got to recount something. When he came on set, and my dad has seen Rohit since he was a child, and I'm not kidding, because Rohit's father and my father have done extensive work together, and it was so refreshing in today's modern times, where I think there's a huge leaning towards Western philosophy and culture. that set, as it is, already had 100 dancers, and his crew, which is 400 people strong. So we had 500 people on a floor, and to add to that, there were close to 200 extra people, because we realized on the second day that all his unit members were bringing their families, saying, you know, Bachchan Saab ke saath shooting kare, come, we'll take photographs. And it was so nice to see, and I think that came down from him because the amount of respect he gave Dad. And my father was so touched, because I remember when we were driving back from work, he was just, you know, he felt so good, and he said, you know, it's so nice that despite the fact that, you know, we've all grown up, we're all doing our work and all that, but there's still that Indian culture that's still maintained. You know, all his assistants brought their families and everybody. It was like, you know, it was like a huge outing, and I think it really moved him, you know, and he's particularly fond of Ajay. I mean, apart from the fact that we're neighbors, but he's particularly fond. I think he's done more films with my dad than he's done with me. And, you know, it was just so nice to see his unit. In today's day and age, where we're getting very modern, there's a walkie-talkie and everybody's trying to get, you know, the lingo is very cut and dry. To see a unit which was still entrenched in you know, the human Indian ethos and our culture and the way we do things. And, you know, I know my dad was immensely emotional on the last day of shoot when he finished the song. So well done, Rohit.
And he told me last day that let's do more work, you know.
No, he said, now when are you going to do a full film with me?
I can't say that.
Yeah, he said that. And that's why I'm like, shh, make one more movie first.